Welcome back guys, it's your girl Ilhan here, and today we've got some vegan oat Snicker bars. If you're looking to satisfy that sweet tooth but you don't want any of that guilt, then look no further because I've got you with this video. So you want to start off by roughly chopping some dark chocolate. The measurements don't matter in terms of the dark chocolate, it's just what you want. I'm chopping about 60 grams of this stuff. The real measurements lie with the oats and the milk, so start off with some rolled oats, and I'm using 1 cup's worth of this stuff. And you just want to pour it and pack it in as much as you can, and then pour it into a large bowl. Using the same cup, you want to just pour some almond milk. You can use oat milk. I'm a regular oat milk drinker, but just the thought of oats on oats kind of puts me off. So go ahead and pour that into your oats. Go ahead and add a pinch of salt or 2. And then 2 heaping spoonfuls of some crunchy peanut butter. I always use 100% peanut butter, but any peanut butter works if you want to use any peanut butter. I'm using 2 tablespoons of agave syrup. You can use honey or you can use maple syrup. And then some dark chocolate chips. The measurements again don't matter, but I'm using half a cup. Add that chocolate that we chopped earlier on. And then we're going to give it a really good mix. You want to add half a teaspoon of some baking powder. This will help give it that little bit of a rise. And then once you fully mix that in, you just want to go ahead, cover it and leave it to rest for at least 15 minutes. Just let that oat soak in all of that milk. Pour that mixture into your oven dish of choice. Just try to smooth it out as much as possible. I like an extra handful of some chopped chocolate and some chocolate chips as well. And then into a preheated oven it goes at 190 degrees Celsius. You're going to cook it for about 15 minutes or until when you shake it, it doesn't jiggle anymore. It's pretty much done. Meanwhile, you just want to melt some of that dark chocolate in the microwave until you get a consistency like this. And we're going to use this as a topping in a minute. And it's as simple as that. Oh, look at this stuff, guys. And now we take that melted chocolate and you just want to do a little swirly on the top. Oh my god, I like to do this whilst it's still hot, just so that this melted chocolate at the top sets with the actual oats itself. And there you go, look at the inside, so gooey. It's firm but it's soft at the same time. This is perfect to snack on, for lunch boxes, for children. It's really cheap to make, it's pretty quick to make, and you can store it for about a week in an airtight container, but that's if it's going to last you a week, because I'm pretty much sure you'll finish it within a day. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed eating these bars. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel, make sure to leave a comment below, and if you really like this video, do give it a thumbs up because it really does help my channel grow. Until next time guys, see ya!